Changes in budget set. In economics, a budget constraint represents all the combination of goods and services that the consumer may purchase with given prices and given income. Any changes in price or income of the consumer may change our budget line and budget set. Let us consider the effect of changes in income of the consumer on budget set. The prices of the goods are remaining the same. When the income of the consumer increases, the consumer is able to buy more of two goods and the budget line shift parallel outwards. Suppose the consumer's income increases from rupees 20 to rupees 30 and the price of the good 1 and good 2 remain the same as rupees 5. Then the new budget line equation will be 5x1 plus 5x2 equal to 30 instead of 5x1 plus 5x2 equal to 20. When income increases from rupees 20 to 30, the budget line shift parallel to rightward. When income decreases, the budget line shift parallel leftward. For example, when income is reduced to rupees 75 from rupees 100, the new budget line will be move from 10x1 to 20x2 equal to 100 to 10x1 plus 20x2 equal to 75. Let us examine the other related changes in the budget set due to the changes in income. Here, the initial income is denoted as M, increase in income as M dash, decrease in income as M double dash. The first change is when income increases from M2 to M dash. That means M is less than M dash. In the case of decrease in income, M is greater than M double dash. The second one, the budget line equation in the case of increase in income is P1x1 plus P2x2 equal to M dash. In the case of decrease in income, equation is equal to P1x1 plus P2x2 equal to M double dash. The third change, the vertical intercepts moves from M by P2 to M dash by P2. Wherein decrease in income, it moves down from M by P2 to M double dash by P2. The fourth change, the horizontal intercepts moves from M by P1 to M dash by P1. Wherein decrease in income, it moves from M by P1 to M double dash by P1. The fifth change, the consumer is able to purchase more quantity of both the goods. In the case of decrease in income, the consumer is not able to purchase both of the quantities with the same amount. The sixth one, the budget line shifts rightward parallelly in the case of increase in income, but in decrease in income, it shifts leftward. Seventh one, the slope of the equation does not change because there is no change in the price of both goods. For example, price of first good is equal to 2, the second good is equal to 4. The initial income is equal to 16, then the new income is equal to 20. Write down the budget line equation. The budget line equation is equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 16. The new budget line equation is equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 equal to 20. Second question, the vertical intercept. The vertical intercept is equal to M by P2, that is equal to 16 by 4, that is equal to 4. In the case of from the new budget line, the vertical intercept is equal to M dash by P, that is equal to 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. In the case of horizontal intercept, the initial intercept is equal to m by p1, that is equal to 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. The new horizontal intercept is equal to m dash by p1, that is equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10. The last one, the slope of the budget line equation. We can calculate the slope by this equation, the change in x2 divided by change in x1, that is equal to minus p1 by p2. From this equation we can see that is equal to minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 0.5. Changes in budget line due to price changes. A change in price of good 1 or good 2, income remaining the same, will lead to a change in budget line. This will also lead to changes in vertical and horizontal intercept and the slope of the budget line. Let's see the changes in detail as given in the following table. Effects of changes in price on budget line. The first one, the price of good 1 increases from P1 to P1 dash, where P1 is the initial price, P1 dash is the increased price level. Then P1 dash is greater than P1. On the other, the price of good 1 decreases from P1 to P1 double dash, where P1 double dash is the decreased price level. Then P1 double dash is less than P1. The second change, the budget line equation will be P1 dash x1 plus P2 x2 equal to m when the price of the good 1 increases. On the other, P1 double dash x1 plus P2 x2 equal to m and the price of the good 1 decreases. Third one, there is no change in vertical intercepts when the price of the good 1 changes. Fourth one, in the case of horizontal intercept, it decreases from m by p1 to m by p1 dash when the price of the good 1 increases. On the other, it increases from m by p1 to m by p1 double dash when the price of the good 1 decreases. Fifth one, the horizontal intercepts move leftward or inward when the price of the good 1 increases. On the other, move to outward when the price of the good 1 decreases. Sixth one, the consumer can purchase less quantity of good 1 when the price of the good 1 increases. He can purchase more quantity of good 1 when the price of the good 1 decreases. Last one, the slope will increase or decrease according to the changes in price level. Note that when the prices of the good 2 changes, variations will take place in vertical intercept. It will shift upward or downward according to the price of the good 2. To conclude, the budget line shows the maximum consumption of a consumer at a given level of income. It shifts parallelly when there is a change in income, but rotates when relative prices changes.